Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something incredibly exciting for you, a detailed dashboard that visualizes the legendary football career of Lionel Messi, created using AIV. This dashboard is packed with stats and insights that will blow your mind. So grab your popcorns and let's dive into the world of Messi. So let's get started. I will show you how to download your dataset. I prefer Kaggle to download the data. So first open your Chrome or any browser and search for Kaggle. You will find this interface. Tap on Kaggle. You will redirect to the Kaggle official website. First thing first, you will need a Kaggle account. If you don't have one, head over to the Kaggle website and sign up. It's free and easy to create an account. Once you are logged in your account, you can easily download the dataset you want. So now that you are logged in, let's search for the dataset you need. So I need Messi dataset. So type in this. So now go on the data sets. I need Lionel Messi. So I will click on this. Now look for the download button here and click on it. The Kaggle will start downloading the dataset to your computer. It might take a few moments depending on the size of the dataset. So my data is downloaded. This is how you can download for the dataset for your projects. Now let's create our dataset. So go on to the hamburger menu, expand the document section, and click on the reports. From here, click on the upload button. So now upload the data you want to create a dashboard from. So I want this message data set and click on upload button. So message data set is successfully uploaded. Now you can create the data set. Go on to the hamburger menu and expand the master data. Go on to the data sets and here click on the create data set. Now go on to the existing files and change the source to reports. And the file I have uploaded in reports is CSV. So I have chosen CSV. Here is the data and give the suitable name for the data set and tap on create to create the data set. So data set is created successfully. So first up, let's take a quick overview of this beautifully designed dashboard by me. As you can see, it's visually stunning with the bright colors and clear graphics. So each section provides a valuable insight into different aspects of Messi's career, from goals to goal assist to matches played and performance trends. It's like having a virtual trophy room of Lionel Messi. So let's start with some key personal details about Messi. Was born in Rosario, Santa Fe province, Argentina on June 24th, 1987. Lionel Andres Messi was his birth name and Messi stands at 1.69 meters tall. His journey from a young boy in Argentina to a global football icon is nothing short of magical. Now let's dive into the juicy numbers. Messi has scored jaw-dropping 480 goals and provided 704 assists through his career. He played 557 matches representing four different teams, and while he masters of the beautiful game, he also received two red cards and 48 yellow cards. This defenders has to do something to stop him. So I have created this with, you can say, KPIs or for information of Messi. Here is a photo of Lionel Messi, which I created using image function, which is uh, provided by AIV. You can just drag and drop, and image can be seen like this. So for now, we can move on to the next. Let's look at the Messi's performance trends over different seasons. This graph shows how his performance has evolved from 2004 2005 season all the way to the 2022 and 2023 season. We can see some incredible perks, peaks, and a few dips, but overall, it highlights his consistency and brilliance on the field. Messi performance trend is the testament to his dedication and skill. Next, we have this bar chart that shows the number of matches that Messi played from each club. Unsurprisingly, FC Barcelona dominates with a massive bar showcasing Messi's long and successful tenure with the club FC Barcelona. And Paris Saint-Germain also makes an appearance marketing his recent move to the French club. It's fascinating to see his journey through these elite clubs. So now let's and moving on to the last but not least, goals by competition, where Messi had played many competition in his career where he scored more goals is in La Liga League, which is 474 goals scored, followed by UEFA Champions League and Copa del Rey League. This shows the goal scored by Messi in his career in different competitions. So here you have it, folks, a detailed breakdown of Lionel Messi's legendary career, visualized through this incredible dashboard created in AIV. Whether you are a fan or just someone who appreciates great football, this dashboard has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome sports analytics content and many sales content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.